You find me in the garden of Chasty House, this beautiful 5-bedroom detached property behind me. It's got beautiful gardens and grounds, totaling 4 acres. It can be sold flexibly, so the farmhouse comes with 3 acres just over of parkland gardens and the paddock in behind, plus double garage and gardens. On the opposite side of that, it also owns a barn with planning permission to convert and another just over acre paddock. I'm looking forward to showing you around. There are 2 south-facing, beautiful reception rooms in Chasty House. The spacious dining room where I'm standing with an open fire, and a formal living room with a wood-burning stove. They've got UPVC double-glazed sash windows to the front and side, providing an abundance of light through the day, and are beautiful living spaces. So the farmhouse-style kitchen, dining, living room is a real centrepiece of the home. As you can see, it's a very spacious room with central island, plenty of storage, room for a good-sized dining table with living space as well. Connected to outdoors by 2 French doors. It feels very much in to out. There's also a beautiful orangery window providing light throughout the year. There's a huge amount of space throughout the farmhouse. There's a huge amount of storage, both internally and externally, which is highly useful. There's a ground floor snug TV room, which is a nice additional space, plus a ground floor shower room, utility room, all lovely ancillary spaces to the main kitchen and reception rooms. All bedrooms are based off this beautiful landing. This master bedroom that I'm in now has dual aspect, lovely light room, has views to Bodmin Moor on a clear day, built-in wardrobes, and a lovely ensuite shower room stroke WC. There is an open-fronted double carport with an attached workshop behind. There's also a sweet little converted store to the side, ideal for wood stores for your wood-burning stove. As you can see, based along a very quiet country lane, on the opposite side there's planning permission in situ to turn this barn into a dwelling, and it could become a separate entity as it comes with just over an acre of land behind it. Very flexible. The property can be sold without the barn with planning and land, or with it, dependent on requirements. I really hope you've enjoyed watching our video of Chasty House. If you'd like a viewing, we'd love to show you round. Our number to call 01288 353 661.